Ooh, see? That ripped. Oh man, that was close. Okay, when you're drilling with one of these, you really have to hold it, or what happens is this will grab onto this and it will spin torque. The torque will spin the drill and it will rip your arm off or hit you in the face. So you really have to watch what you're doing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let the drill rest on this. So if it starts to twist, this will catch it so it won't spin around and hurt me. I got through the wood. I gotta get a screwdriver to get the piece of wood out because I have 3 inches of foam board and wood was 3/4. There we go. All right, let's get the foam. Don't forget to put your drill where it don't hurt you. Ooh, see? That ripped. Oh man, that was close. But luckily this was here, or that would have hurt me. Okay, now that I have my hole in the floor, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to cut it. Because the hole in the floor is 4 inches, this is 6 inches. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it, and then you squeeze it around this stuff and stick it through the hole and then let it open up, and you put screws in the top. So I'm also going to flange out. I'm going to cut a couple spots where they flange over and it will sit on the floor. You hook this part to your diesel heater and this will sit down on the floor, and this will keep all the heat from touching your insulation and floor. See the insulation and floor there? So this will be down through that hole. All right, that's what I'm gonna do now. Okay, got it all installed through the floor. Now, the heat will come out of this tube. It's gonna go through here. It's gonna go through here. I'm gonna put a hole through there. It's gonna route this stuff over there, up, and into the bathroom. So the bathroom's right here. So I'm gonna put a hole through there, run it down, and back through to there. This is the fresh air from under the bed. Here's all the wires. All these wires will come out and go up to the headboard. So all the controls will be at the headboard. So I'm also, here is gonna have a T. So air will be coming up through the floor for the heat in the bedroom, and then the other to the bathroom. That's it.